How to enable cookies on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on cookies on Opera Mini. So first thing, go to Opera. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this Opera option and click here and scroll down until you find advanced option, and here is it right here. Now click on it and you will find cookies, the first one. Click on it, and now right here you can enable cookies easily, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.